this is Vlogmas Day One. I am so excited. Today is actually the 24th. It is the day before Thanksgiving, and I thought that I would start Vlogmas here because today will be our big Thanksgiving here at our Kinzer household. We already had our family Thanksgiving, and now we're going to have our family / friends Thanksgiving here at the Kinzer household. I am up early. I am just now drinking coffee. I let myself sleep in an extra hour this morning. I was going to get up at 5, but I got up at 6 instead. And we are going to get started here shortly on doing some cooking. I'm making 7-layer salad this morning. My strawberry salad. I've got to make a cheese ball, some party meatballs, and I'm also going to cook up some chocolate chip cookies with M&Ms in them. It is a recipe that I got off of Jennifer Ross. Her channel, I have no idea what the name of her channel is, but it is her recipe, and I will link it down below for you guys, her video. I'll try to. Her video where I got that from. If you're not familiar with Jennifer Ross, the name of her channel, my goodness, I think it's changed 4 times. The last name that I remember is Pretty Neat Living. She's had a lot of life-changing events. But anyways, when I really first started watching her, it was her housewife kind of life, and she shared getting ready for Thanksgiving, and she did a lot of baking and stuff, and the food looked amazing. And so I kind of went into some of my archives of videos on YouTube and watched some of her older stuff because I enjoyed it so much. And I pulled one of those recipes out, and I bought everything this week to make it. So I thought, I'd make something a little bit different. I think my friend Danny, who is coming today, is bringing a dessert. We always have plenty of sweets, always. So today is not going to be any different. If I get some extra time, I probably will make something extra sweet. But I have a big list of things to do today, because I don't only have to cook, but I have to dust and sweep and mop in here and vacuum up the stairs. And yeah, so I have a full day. I'm going to bring you guys along with me, and happy Vlogmas Day number 1. Guys, so I don't even know where I left you at other than I was cooking. I'm still in the kitchen, except for I did go upstairs and take me a hot bath because I was freezing to death, and Ronnie was like, you know what? Why don't you just go take yourself a bath? So I did real quickly and threw on a little bit of makeup, sweater, just kind of trying to get in a festive mood. I'm looking at my hair here going, oh Lord. I don't really do too much to my hair when I'm the one, hold on, going to do all the cooking, because obviously I don't want hair in the food. But just to show you guys, I've got my ham and hash brown casserole in there. My rolls are rising. I've got my beans in the crock pot here behind me. I'm about to brown up some sausage for my sausage stuffing, which is really, really simple to make. And I'm watching the clock because I need to pour the yummy goodness over top of the ham before it gets done, but it's looking pretty brown, so I think it's going to come out earlier than I anticipated. I need to put the whipped topping on my strawberry salad, and I have a pen in my hand because we are using all disposable tonight, and cups and plates because I had so much left over from the first Thanksgiving. So I'm going to write everybody's name on their cups, and I need to set out sodas so they can help themselves. But other than that, we're good to go.